So this is a gift I'm going to be sharing with you. This is how it looks like with mine. Arrows, yep, still single, heart, and all of this. These ones are patterns, and this one. So if you want to have access to this, keep watching to the end. Guys, welcome to my channel where I teach you how to make money online fast and easy. Today's video will be a little bit different. I'm just going to be sharing with you a package that Printify sent me. Now, if you don't know what Printify is or who Printify is a print-on-demand company that fulfills your print-on-demand products such as hats, mugs, shirts, and more. Printify sent a package yesterday consisting of these Valentine's Day designs. Valentine's Day is coming up, and I thought to share the design with you. So from this video I made about Photoshop alternative and how to scale your design you get from Vexels. I received a comment from Mohammed saying if I could share some PSD's designs. So the thing is, I'm not even supposed to be sharing PSD's designs because it wouldn't be fair to everyone who has a plan at Vexels. But the thing is, I understand that some people don't have money to get a plan at Vexels. That's why I decided to share the text design that I use to demonstrate how to scale your designs with, which is this one. So in this package, this is the text designs that you can use to scale it. It's called strobe text effect. This is how it looks like. It's the same as you can see. So if you haven't watched this video, I recommend that you do so you know how to scale your design. Using Photopea is a free alternative to Photoshop. And like I was saying about Printify, Printify is just like Printful. You've heard me talk about Printful a lot. I use Printful to integrate with Amazon Seller Central, and that's how I fulfill my products sold from there. The difference between Printful and Printify, I've even made a video about that. Printful versus Printify. If you haven't watched yet, right here. Printify versus Printful. Which do you choose for your print-on-demand business? For my print-on-demand business, I go with Printful. Actually, I do both, but the one I recommend you choose is Printful. Not only does Printful integrate with Amazon Seller Central, Printful also has the lowest t-shirt price. But with Printify, you can have a Printify subscription where the prices will go as low as, for example, the prices for a mug will go as low as $3 or so. But with Printful, the prices, well, it depends on the mug. For example, an 11-ounce mug can stay as $7. Base cost $7.95. But with Printify, the difference between the two is that Printify has many print-on-demand fulfillers, but Printful is a company on its own. It just has several fulfillment centers around the world, but Printify has several suppliers, not fulfillment centers. So that's the main difference. So I don't want to go about the main difference between Printify and Printful in this video. I've already made a video about that. If you haven't watched it, here it is right here. Printful versus Printify, which do you choose? But the main focus of this video is that Printify sent a Valentine's Day package, Valentine's Day designs that you can use for all your print-on-demand products. As Valentine's Day is approaching, you should definitely take advantage of these designs. It's free, you can use it, and I've added the strobe text design, which is from Vexels, that you can use to scale your design. It's a text version. So if you want to check out Printify, there's a link in the description below. Another thing that Printify also sent is this events calendar. I've always advised that you use this holidays events calendar to schedule your designs to make designs well ahead of time so customers can buy. But as you can see, this looks very plain. This events calendar is from timeanddate.com. I'll leave a link in the description if you want to check it out. These are different events that are coming up. This is February. Here's Valentine's Day coming up February 14th and the rest of the events. So Printify send this one. This one is more pleasing to the eyes. Is beautiful. So you have two options. You can use this. You can either use this Printify events calendar, then I'm going to leave a link in the description for you, or you could use this one too from timeanddate.com. It's definitely free for everyone to use. So I've included a number of events here that you should take, that you should know, that I've included it in different colors. I've even put some different icons right here, so it makes it look very beautiful if you want to, if you're searching for an event to make designs for. So this is January, we're still in January, and January 16th right here we don't have any events, but tomorrow, January 17th, get to know your customers day, then Cheese Lover Day, Martin Luther King Day. This is a very huge one right here. I think you should already start designing for this right here, Martin Luther King Jr. Day. But I'll advise you to stay away from the word Martin Luther King Jr. or MLK. Those words are trademarked, so you should definitely stay away from them. But I advise you to make designs for them. It's a very huge holiday. Alright, so that's it for this video, guys. If you found it helpful, definitely give it a thumbs up. If you'd like to learn more about print on demand, KDP, this is a channel for you. Hit that subscribe button, turn on the bell notification so you'll be the first to be notified when I release a new video. With that being said, see you on the next one.